Hey, so if your Trello is running slow, yeah, that can seriously slow down your work. Maybe boards take forever to load, cards lag, or actions feel delayed. In this guide, I'll walk you through step-by-step fixes to speed things up. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A slow or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons for performance issues. Next, refresh your board. Sometimes, yeah, Trello just needs a quick reload to clear temporary lag. If you have too many tabs or apps open, your system can slow down. Close anything you're not using to free up memory. Now, clear your browser cache and cookies. Stored data can build up over time and affect performance. Try disabling browser extensions, especially ones that run in the background. Some extensions can slow down Trello significantly. Here's a big one. If your board has too many cards, attachments, or lists, it can slow things down. Archive old cards or split work into multiple boards. Make sure your browser or Trello app is up to date. Older versions can cause lag and performance issues. If it's still slow, try using Trello on a different browser or device. This helps you identify if the issue is system specific. So, yeah, that's how to fix Trello's slow performance problems. Once you clean things up and optimize your setup, it should run much smoother. If this helped, subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Hey, so